The Korean skincare products are the most hyped in the beauty industry. They offer a variety of ingredients that helps to treat skin in different ways. There are lots of Korean products available on Amazon, so we picked 5 best Korean skincare products that you must try. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser is an ideal Korean skincare product in any double cleansing routine. It lowers your skin pH level, which helps you with breakouts and keep your skin barrier undamaged and healthy. It is formulated with salicylic acid that helps to naturally exfoliate your skin. This gentle gel cleanser has mildly acidic pH level that is highly effective in cleansing excess sebum or your skin without irritating or drying out skin. It also contains tea tree oil, which helps to soothe irritated skin. Using a low pH level cleanser that is close to skin's normal pH level keeps the skin hydrated and protected. It can be used in the morning and at night for double cleansing after removing your makeup. The COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser is very effective on skin and is most reviewed Korean skincare product on Amazon with thousands of positive reviews and ratings. Let's check some of those. The review says it all. This budget-friendly cleanser is highly effective skincare that lowers the pH of skin and works great on acne-prone skin, though some customer had rashes on skin after using. How to use: gently massage a small amount of cleanser on wet skin. Rinse with tepid water. Pat your face and continue with your next skincare steps. It's time now to rate this Korean skincare product. The COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser has a great number of users all over the world. In terms of users' acceptance, we rate it 5 out of 5. In terms of value, we give it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $10, so our rating for its price goes 5 out of 5. The bubble mask is the latest beauty trend around the world. It infuses the skin with oxygen and helps the mask's ingredients penetrate better. The Elizavecca Milky Piggy Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask will provide you detoxification and clean your skin while being safe for fungal acne. It is made in South Korea and very well known for removing the blackheads. The Elizavecca Milky Piggy Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask will deep clean your skin while the carbonated bubbles are formed. It opens every pore on your skin and allows the cleanser to clean deep. Bubble Clay Mask also controls the oils on your skin. This bubble mask is one of the highest-selling bubble clay masks on Amazon, earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from the users. Let's check some reviews. After going through the reviews, the bubble mask is highly recommended by users with sensitive skin. It worked well on removing blackheads and made skin super soft. But for some users, it didn't work that well. How to use it? Apply the carbonated bubble clay mask to your whole face, except around eyes. After 3 to 5 minutes, when the bubbles blown up absolutely, do foam massage with a little tepid water and wash away. It's time to rate this mask. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. This bubble clay mask really works like magic. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $12, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. Korea is known for its revolutionary sheet masks, and the Dermal Korea Collagen Essence Full Face Facial Mask Sheet comes with 16 different masks that are beyond the deal. The sheet masks are formulated with vitamin E, collagen, and hyaluronic acid, which keeps your tired skin to be lively and healthy. Each mask is specially formulated with highly concentrated active ingredients that penetrate into your skin effectively to deliver essential nutrients. This set of mask sheet provides you a ready-to-go facial for any kind of skin day. The set has different essence sheet masks for moisturizing and soothing your skin all day long, brightening and clarifying your troubled skin, nourishing and anti-aging, and for anti-wrinkles. The Dermal Korea Collagen Essence Full Face Facial Mask Sheet is one of the highest-selling Korean sheet masks. Great number of users, reviews, and ratings on Amazon. Let's check a few of them. According to the reviews, these sheet masks are highly recommended by the users, as they make your skin healthy and smooth. They are also effective yet gentle on skin and great in terms of value, but according to some, it didn't work that well. How to use it? After cleansing, dry face and soothe your face with toning water. Take out the mask sheet from the back and unfold it. First, gently apply the mask sheet around your eye parts and then fit your face contours. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Peel off the mask sheet and tap the remaining collagen essence over your face until it completely absorbs to your skin. Now, let's rate this Korean skincare product. It has surprisingly high positive feedbacks and its users are great in number. We will rate it 5 out of 5 in terms of users' acceptance. We will rate it 5 out of 5 in terms of value. It's available at around $10, so in terms of price we rate it 5 out of 5. Rice water is a part of Korean beauty legacy that helps to brighten up your skin. And the TheFaceShop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser is the perfect choice if you are looking for a bright and purifying skin. It is enriched with a natural rice water solution with brightening properties that remove layers of dirt while leaving skin soft, supple, and evenly toned. It also contains moringa oil and soapwort, which help to purify the skin cells and be gentle to the skin. It also helps to improve the appearance of skin pigmentation. It has a creamy texture that turns into a foam and provides skin with a deep, proper cleanse without being too harsh. The TheFaceShop Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser is very popular foaming cleanser among users, earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. Let's check some of those. After going through the reviews, the users are very satisfied with the results. It provides smooth, bright skin within budget, but some complained it didn't work for them and had breakouts on skin. How to use it? Lather the cleansing foam with water and massage onto face with a circular motion. Rinse with lukewarm water. It's time to rate this product. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $9, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. If you are looking for a hydrating serum infused with hyaluronic acid, the Elizavecca Pore Control Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum is the right choice for you. It contains 97% of hyaluronic acid that keeps your skin hydrated, bouncy, and soft. Also restores the moisture balance of skin. It also works to remove nasolabial folds and forehead deep wrinkles and improve elasticity under the eyes. This wonderful serum shrinks all pores and minimizes the appearance of pores within few days. The Elizavecca Pore Control Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum is available on Amazon with more than thousands of reviews and ratings. Let's check some of the reviews and ratings. According to the reviews, this highly recommended facial serum works amazing on skin, especially for minimizing the appearance of the pores. But for some users, it dried out their face. How to use it? Apply few drops after you wash your face. Use your fingertip to gently tap on your skin until fully absorbed. Let's check out some ratings now. The user acceptance of this product is 5 out of 5, as the users are very happy how well it works, especially keeping your skin hydrated all day long. In terms of value, our rating is 4 out of 5. The price is around $10, so the rate for its price is 5 out of 5. So these are our top pick Korean skincare products. We have selected all these products based on users' responses and recommendations. Experiences may vary from one person to another.